Hello my friend and welcome back to Quiz Factory. In today's video, we'll guess famous YouTubers by emojis. We prepared 40 questions and you have 10 seconds to answer. For each correct answer, you'll get 1 point. If you're ready, please subscribe to our channel and let's get started. Quiz 1. Can you guess which YouTuber this is? That's amazing, it's MrBeast. Are you a fan of his? Quiz 2. Guess this YouTuber. Good job, it's the royalty family. Quiz 3. Exactly, it's Ninja Kids TV. Quiz 4. So good, it's PewDiePie. Quiz 5. What's the name of this YouTuber? Of course, Zach King's the correct answer. Quiz 6. Amazing, it's Sniper Wolf. Quiz 7. Guess this YouTuber. Bingo, it's Salish Matter. Quiz 8. Well done, it's Baby Shark. Quiz 9. You're great, it's King Ferran. Quiz 10. Which YouTuber is this? Think carefully. Good job, that's like Nastya. Quiz 11. The Ellen Show. Quiz 12. The Bee Family. Quiz 13. So good, it's Jordan Matter. Quiz 14. Fantastic, that's rapper KSI. Quiz 15. Do you know which YouTuber this is? Well done, Brent Rivera's the correct answer. Quiz 16. Very good, it's iShowSpeed. Quiz 17. It's Kids Diana Show. Quiz 18. Which YouTuber could this be? The answer is jelly. Quiz 19. You're great, it's Dude Perfect. Quiz 20. Jeffree Star. Quiz 21. Logan Paul. Quiz 22. Can you name this YouTuber from these emojis? Amazing, that's the Ace family. Quiz 23. Too easy, right? It's Ninja. Quiz 24. Great, it's Casey Neistat. Quiz 25. The answer is Mini Minter. Quiz 26. Do you know which YouTuber this is? That's correct, it's Collins Key. Quiz 27. Piper Raquel. Quiz 28. Rebecca Zamolo. Quiz 29. Ryan's World. Quiz 30. What's the name of this YouTuber? Well done, it's James Charles. Quiz 31. Nice, it's Cobby Lame. Quiz 32. Gideon's the correct answer. Quiz 33. That's Preston. Quiz 34. Amazing, it's David Dobrik. Quiz 35. Can you name this YouTuber from these emojis? Airac, that's it. Quiz 36. Markiplier's the correct answer. Quiz 37. Alexa Rivera. Quiz 38. Roman Atwood Vlogs. Quiz 39. Chunks. Quiz 40. Can you guess which YouTuber this is? Do you know this YouTuber? Leave your answer in the comments to let us know. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to Quiz Factory for more fun and interesting quizzes. See you in the next videos.